Welcome to Challenging GCSE Maths Questions with Mr. Wesley. Every day, we take on one mind-boggling GCSE maths question designed to stretch your brain and push your skills to the next level. Mr. Wesley will break it down step by step so you can confidently ace those tricky final questions on your exam. Grab your notebook, your pen, and your calculator. Let's get solving. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any challenging questions you would like Mr. Wesley to solve in the upcoming videos, please email him the question. His email address is in the description. All right, let's do this. Here's Mr. Wesley.
Okay, so this is an interesting algebra question. Given that x is positive and x minus 1 over x is 5 over 6, without solving for x, show that x plus 1 over x is 13 over 6. Now, they don't want you to turn this into a quadratic equation by multiplying both sides by x and all that stuff. Instead, what they would like you to do is to go from this to this directly. So how can we do that? Before I show you how to do that, let me very quickly remind you that a minus b is expanded as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A plus b whole thing squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so keeping that in mind, let's look at the question again. So they have given x minus 1 over x and they're asking you to find x plus 1 over x without solving. So I'm going to square x minus 1 over x. You will get x squared minus 2 times this term times this term, x times 1 over x, that is 2. So x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared. Okay. Similarly, x plus 1 over x whole thing squared is x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. Now the difference between this and this is that there is minus 2 here and plus 2 here. So if you add 4 to this, you will get this. This is exactly the trick we are going to use. So we are going to take x minus 1 over x, we're going to square it, we're going to add 4 to it, that will give us x plus 1 over x whole thing squared, and then we take square root to find x plus 1 over x. So once again, x minus 1 over x is 5 over 6. So when we square it, we're going to square the numerator and the denominator. Now we're going to add 4 to this to get x plus 1 over x squared. That is 25 over 36 plus 4. 36 is a common denominator. 25 plus 36 times 4 is 144. So that gives 169 over 36. And that is x plus 1 over x squared. So to find x plus 1 over x, we take square root. So x plus 1 over x is 13 over 6 when you take the square root of that one. Now, shouldn't it be plus or minus 13 over 6 when you take square root? But in this question, they said x is positive. So when x is positive, this is positive. 1 over x is positive. Positive plus another positive term will have to be positive. So minus 13 over 6 is out. So x plus 1 over x is 13 over 6 as required. So let's go here. So we've done the first part. Now they're asking us to deduce the value of x from this. So x minus 1 over x is 5 over 6. X plus 1 over x is 13 over 6. If you add these two equations, this term and this term cancels out. 2x is equal to 13 plus 5, 18 over 6, that is 3. Therefore, x is 3 over 2. So we've deduced the value of x. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon.
Great job today, everyone. Remember, the key is to take your time and practice the questions regularly. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really motivates Mr. Wesley to create more videos. If you have any questions, feel free to email Mr. Wesley at WesleyMathsTutor@gmail.com. See you in the next one.